So, friends, these days everybody is talking of diabetes because diabetes has become a very common disease, irrespective of the age. We are actually seeing diabetes amongst even young people. Let's say people around 20 years are also getting what is called type 2 diabetes, which is actually something that we all have to worry about. You also must be knowing that now it's roughly that there are more than 10 crore diabetics in India, and the number is increasing. You know the reason, because of the so much of change in the lifestyle of the people, eating habits and being sedentary is one of the most main reasons that diabetes is increasing all over the world, also in India. And also you must know that diabetes is not just limited to urban areas or rich people. You see it amongst the poor people in urban areas as well as rural areas. So one of my main concerns is that a lot of people talk about diabetes, about its management, and sometimes they're even misleading people and sometimes suggesting expensive ways of managing diabetes, which is otherwise one need not go for expensive medication to start with. So what is important is the diet and losing weight if somebody is overweight, and cut down your refined carbohydrates, like mainly like white rice, sugars and fried foods. Eat more of food that has more fiber. It can be unpolished rice or millets or sometimes even wheat if it suits you. Eat a lot of green vegetables. Eat vegetable protein like dal and other components. Eat some fruits which are allowed in diabetes, because fruits are good because they have more antioxidants and vitamins. And only thing is, avoid foods which have high calories, but even them you can eat once in a way. So the best food that you can eat is these days, guava and apple, pears, papaya, watermelon. These are the fruits that you can have at least one of them every day. That helps you. And finally, coming to the management, just don't listen to everybody saying that you try this, try that. And sometimes they're just trying to exploit you. The medication, many times to start with, is simple. Most of the metformin, people talk about it. It's one of the best drugs that has been in the field for many decades. It is not expensive, it is useful, it has many advantages of taking it. Of course, any drug can have some side effects, so you need to follow the advice of the doctor. Take a proper dose. It's not that you start with high dose of any drug. That's one. And secondly, please remember one most important point. Type 2 diabetes is not the same for everybody. So it can be different from person to person. For example, it's a 20-year-old diabetic can get it, or it can start at 40. It can happen in thin person, or it can present in somebody who is overweight and obese, which is of course more common. So every diabetes can be different, and the person, he or she, has to be managed according to the age, according to the weight, according to the habits of the person, and also the social status of the person. All these have to be considered when we are trying to medicate the person and also advise the person. Finally, I am presenting this video just to say that take proper advice, balance your diet, keep the condition under your control so that you lead not only long life but also lead a healthy life. I'll try to post some of these videos which can be useful to anybody. Thank you.